Guys, we are gonna be doing a fidget spinner giveaway. The first person to comment on this video gets a free fidget spinner of one of. You get to pick any of these, but you have to subscribe and like this video and hit that bell right there, and you will get added into the thing. So I'll say it again. The first person to comment will get it. So that gives you a bit bigger chance. But you have to subscribe and like the video before you comment. Okay, we'll see you later in the video. Bye, guys. Okay, we're going to be doing a video of the fidget spinners who can spin the longest. Okay, first thing we are going to be doing this one, the green one. Let's show it out. Yeah. See how fast that goes. Okay. Then against the yellow fidget spinner. Darius, right here, his name is Darius Bennett. He's gonna be spinning
the blue one.
No, he's gonna be spinning the yellow one right here. See how that's gold. And Aiden here, say hi to the fans. Oh, there's our red one. And he will be spinning.
It's a good one. Wait, good stuff. It's really neat.
What did you do with it? Darius! Okay, and Aiden will be spinning the green one. And Darius will be doing the yellow one.
Gold all
okay.
day.
Okay, put the daggone blue one down, Darius. Okay. Sorry, guys. Okay, 3. Darius, stop it. Okay. Aiden, pick up the green one, man. Okay, Darius, pick up the yellow one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, spin. Who will spin the longest? Oh, Aiden feels like he's going to win. Oh, it looks like he is going to win. Oh, my gosh, and it looks like Darius kind of flew that down. Okay, Aiden.
Can I take this one?
Okay, Darius, you will be... Wait, did you use the yellow one?
Yes, I used the yellow one.
Okay, the yellow one's out. Bye-bye. Okay. This is not mean... If we're saying it's out, it doesn't mean it's out of the giveaway. We will be throwing some more in, but we're not allowed to, we ordered them and we will give them out right when this video goes out, because it's going to go like a few hours after we do this. And this is not a live stream, so yeah. Okay, it will be the baseball one against the blue one. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm gonna win this. Guys, he's gonna win because the baseball one's faster, but it's old.
It's a good match. So bored. He looks so manly.
Hey.
Ooh, this is a good match. This is a good match, man. Dun, 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 dun. You can see those teeth right there.
Oh, God.
Oh, my gosh.
What?
He's like, I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win.
Yes!
Yes! All day! Aiden takes another victory. Where did the blue one go? Oh, it's all the way over there.
I'm here.
Hi.
I know I've died.
We do some videos for gaming. We have a lot. So, we do some NBA 2K17. Okay, that's enough of that. So, we will be doing this one.
Favorite one. I've got this. I want to sell it for $4. Just joking. It's free.
Okay, it's going to be that one against the green one.
Yeah, before we start, I got to take this hair out of the bearing. There we go.
Dun, 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 dun.
Stop.
Dun, dun,
So, say it, Thatcher.
dun.
Thatcher, say that.
They look so suspicious. Look at the man over there.
Thatcher.
And he
Thatcher, come on.
looks so crazy. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Go! He thinks he's gonna win. He might not. Oh, the man over here looks like he's so suspicious. Oh my god.
Hey.
Oh, there he's spinning 2 of them. He looks so cray. Dun, dun, dun. That's something suspicious about him. About you. He looks so manly. We should make a picture of him. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Oh, he's.
This is so boring.
He's so tired. He's so tired. Oh, there he goes. He's asleep now. Yeah, let's see this one. Oh, he fell asleep too. Oh, Darius is back away. Yay! Oh.
Guys, this was a good one. This one's taking forever. Arm is hurting.
Okay, we are not cutting through, so like it's just gonna keep going like it's just gonna keep like going. So like
What? Gee, I won.
winner! Dun dun dun.
Hey, don't want
Bye,
the
green one.
I want the base.
Bye, green one. Oh, there it goes. It landed. Oh my gosh.
Baller all day.
Okay.
All day,
It's gonna be
the baseball
the
one
red one against the baseball.
Ooh, I just got it.
3, 2, 1, spin! Ooh, Aiden got a late spin, so it's a better spin. Ooh, the baseball one and the... Oh, this is a good match. Look so suspicious.
If we drop that,
Look at the man over here. He has one hand on him. That's good. Oh, and he dabs over the folks. He has one finger. He might drop it. Just watch, he's gonna drop it.
Aiden, yes, Aiden! Aiden, respin it. No, didn't it? I barely hit it. I went like this. Yeah, that made it out. I didn't spin it. It was like this.
Winner!
What? Okay, now.
Womp, womp, womp. It is now the cookie one. It's called the cookie. Against the best red one. 3, 2, 1, spin! Wait. I said wait, man.
There's
Man.
wait. It's gonna take forever.
Yeah, man. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, spin. Ooh, Aiden didn't get a really good one.
Can I try that again? Let's
Oh.
Let's try that again. Let's try that again.
Restart the match.
Yeah.
Restart the match. Restart the match. Hi, guys. Yeah, I'm just a cameraman. I'm so lonely.
Let's go. There's
Okay. 3, 2, 1, spin.
Oh, he did that on purpose. Oh, didn't.
It looks like Darius is going to go down.
Oh, it looks like he's gonna win.
Who, Darius? He's going to lose. Uh-oh. Darius, you know if you shake it, it's going to lose. That one's still going as fast as it can. Oh, God.
How is your spit getting all the way over here?
Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
How's it staying?
Oh, my God. You see, he's blowing it. Darius! No blowing. It's not necessary. Aiden!
There. I can one more spin.
No! No. It looks
I'll
like
play all the games. I guess
Aiden's gonna sing a song for us.
Jump in the Cadillac, girls put some fries on it. Anything you want, just piss well on it. You deserve it, baby. You deserve it all. I'm gonna give it to you. You'll be signing so nice. So done.
Gary's gonna sing a song for us right out of nowhere.
Hey, now everybody.
No, and it's about fidget spin. and it's about this fidget spinner.
Oh,
It's about the blue
yeah,
one. The blue one.
the two-sided ones are
The
better than the
blue
three-sided ones.
one.
That's all I gotta
The
say.
blue one.
Ouch, stupid. So if you guys want to order a fidget spinner, get the two-sided one.
Yeah, man. Yeah. I'm so happy. Bye, guys. We're gonna have a nice day. So we're gonna end this video right here. Goodbye.